So we're going to continue where we left off in the last video. And so the first thing we're going to do is go to the game object and add a new attribute. It's going to be called turns. It's going to be an integer and leave it at 0. So what we're going to do is each time the player takes a turn, we're going to increase this counter by 1. And once it reaches 60, that's when we're going to go through and decrease all of the player's needs. And so the next thing we're going to do is add another attribute. But this one is going to be called need_decay. It's going to be integer and set it to -4. This is how much the needs are going to decrease. So say if the player's hunger is at 100, whenever turns hit 60, we're going to decrease it by 4 and it should be 96. So now the next thing we're going to do is make it where we can actually see what turn we're currently on. So we're going to go to update_status. And right above this for each loop, we're going to do dictionary add. First parameter is status. The second parameter is going to be turns. And the final one is going to be turns in parentheses with the colon plus toString game.turns. So you save that and we're going to run the game to make sure it works. And above your hunger, thirst, and energy, you should have turns is equal to 0. And now we're going to make it where the turns actually increase. So go to take turn_turn script, and above update_status, we're going to type in game.turns is equal to game.turns plus 1. I'm going to save and run the game. So turns is currently at 1. We're going to type in wait, and now it's at 2. And so we got that working. And now we're going to add a wait command so the player can wait however many turns they want to wait. So go to commands. And we're going to call it wait_command. And the pattern is going to be lowercase wait, hashtag text, hashtag, semicolon, uppercase wait, and hashtag text, hashtag. And then down here in the script, we're going to start off with if not is int text message you must enter an integer. And then for our else, we're going to do turns is equal to 2 int text. Underneath that, we're going to do if 0 is greater than or equal to turns, message you must enter an integer that's greater than 0. Alright? And the reason we do this is because you don't want the player to type in wait and then type in orange. You can't wait orange. Or like if the player types in wait and accidentally put in -10, you can't wait -10 turns. So we kind of have to put these kind of like safeguards in here to help the player out. And so underneath that if statement, we're going to do an else statement. And inside of there, we're going to do a for loop. So for I, 1, turns -1. And inside of there, we're going to do take turn_turn scripts script. So basically what this does is if the player says wait 10, it'll basically run a take turn script 10 times. So they'll wait 10 turns. So let's save it and try it out. So we're currently at 1 turns, and let's type in wait 29. Now we're at 30, and then we're going to do wait 30. Now we're at 60. So in the next video, we're actually going to make the needs decrease. So stay tuned for that.